Hello, this is Howard Chen from EmperorDirect.com. Today, I want to present the procedures to update the firmware in your HDX 1000 machine. The first step is you need to check the existing firmware version of your machine. First, you go to the home page of your HDX 1000 and select the Setup. And then you select Maintenance. At here, you can see the existing firmware version. Just write it down on a piece of paper. Mine is 5017080812, 15 HDD 403063. The next step is to check what's the latest firmware version from Digitech. You can go to their website www.hdx1080.com. At their homepage, you just go to the Download tab, click on it, and then select the HDX 1000 section, and then select the Firmware section. You should be able to see the latest firmware version at the top of the screen. As to the date, March the 4th, 2009, I can see the latest firmware is released in November the 11th, 2008. So, if the firmware version you just wrote down in the step 1 didn't match the firmware version at here, you need to do the update. So where to find the update? You just scroll down the window and then you can see the small download button at here. Click on it. Specify you want to save the file. And then click OK. Then the download process will be started.
The next step is you need to move the latest firmware you just download from hdx1080.com to your HDX 1000 box. I'll use a USB drive to help me do the task. So first, I go back to my computer, and in the downloads folder, I found the file I just downloaded. It is a zip format file, so I need to unzip it and save it to my USB drive. And my USB drive is at G, so I go directly to there. And I need to dump all these files into the root directory. I've already done that. So you will see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 new files in my USB drive. Before I uninstall my USB drive from my computer, I need to change this NMT file into syb8634.nmt name. It is a required step before you can update your NMT application in your HDX 1000 box. Okay, let's move on.
Okay, now you have your update file sitting in your USB drive. What you need to do is you need to connect the USB drive to the back of your HDX 1000. However, one thing you need to note is that one of the two USB ports cannot work. Digitech has already moved the circuitry inside the box to support the card readers sitting in front of the HDX 1000. So you need to connect the USB drive to the one right above the LAN port. Yes, only the USB port right above the LAN port can work. So after you connect the USB drive, you can go to the media source, and then you can see the USB drive button and just click on it. And then you need to select the document type. And here, you will see a document called USB update.html. Just click on it. And here, there is only one firmware file in the USB drive, so you can just click on it. And the updating process will be started. If you have an internal HDD installed in the HDX 1000 box, after this firmware update session, the system will automatically start the NMT application update process. After you have done that, you can go back to hdx1080.com to see what's the latest update in this firmware. And you can sit back and enjoy the movie. Thank you.